Good morning. Here. Ngayon, today is Thursday. Punta kaming Nara. Dapat bukas pa kami magnanara. Kaso nakalagay sa weather forecast, uulan tomorrow. So ngayon na lang kasi it's cloudy day. Para mas sulit. Kasi dun yung magpapakain ng beer. Saka yung naggagawa ng mochi, yung mabilis daw. Ayun. Sakto lang yung lamig ngayon. Mas malamig kahapon. Kaya sinipon na kami. Yung biyahe mula dito to Nara is 1 hour. Dalawang train lang. Yung isa rapid something. Daming vending machine. Dito na kami sa Nara. Mga 1 hour lang yung biyahe. Or less than pa nga eh. Ganda dito. Di matao. Ang tahimik yung buhay. Or maaga pa. Pero malamig. Punta kami dun. Diretso lang eh. Pati yung Nara Park nga. Dun lang dun. Oh, ang galing oh. Nilagay ng baby sa harap. Ang galing na mga dito, lahat nagbabike. Kahit matanda. Ito yung sikat na mochi place sa Nara. Sarap. Nakatatlo ko eh. Wala pa yung nagagawa eh. 11:30 pa daw. Uy, kaya alas 10 pa lang. Yun yung ginagawa yung sa YouTube, yung mabilis. Okay. Bait naman, nakahiga lang siya. Sidan mo na sa dami.
Doon kayo sa loob, mahal. Ayokong butang. Anong yan? Grabe ka naman. Ma, dito kayo!
Si Angel natatakot, tapos hinahabol siya ng mga deer. Sinusundan siya.
They'll give me some nut for the deers.
Ali, come here. Sige na, bigyan mo cookies, mahal.
Ali, oh. Ali, give one.
Bow, Sky.
No, I pull you because they are... Ito yung view dun sa cellphone ko nung pinapakain niya yung deer. Nung kinagat siya. Sa jacket lang naman. Yan.
Oh! Sir, bow. See, don't bow.
Bow again.
Bow.
Kasi, one more. Just that
You bow. Bow.
Bow again.
Bow.
Oh, nag-bow siya.
Oh, you're so cute. Say hi to my little dog. Oh, thank you. Say hi.
Tapos na kami sa deer park. Ito, natakot. Medyo aggressive onti yung mga deer. aggressive nga.
Tama na yung tinapay.
Pag hawak mo yung biscuit, susugurin ka talaga nila. Pero di ka nila tutuhugin or sisipain. Hinihingi lang nila yung biscuit. Eh hawak ko yung isang buo dito. Dapat bigay pa isa-isa. Hindi sila umaalis, gusto nila kunin yung nasa kamay ko. Binato ko na lang sa sahig para lumayo kasi nilalapitan si Sky. Tapos yung isang deer, yung last na deer, binibigyan ni Sky sa harap. May lumapit sa likod, kinagat yung ano niya, sweatshirt niya, hinila ako na si Sky. Nandun, buti na lang na videoan ng IG story, sakto. Nakakatawa na, nakakakaba. Doon yun, no? Daming tao. Yung biscuit, 200 yen. Ito, kabadong kabado. Takot na takot. Ay, Starbucks ulit, to. Ticket office of the Eastern Garden. Dito kami sa Eastern Garden now, sa Nara. Ganda. May ticket office dyan. Si Sky, lakad siya kasi hindi pwedeng mag-stroller dito. Kasi puro bato. What is that? What's that? There's a deer picture. Leave it there, it's not ours.
I have to take it.
Where you found it?
Here.
Okay. Napulot siyang...
Mom, look at deer picture.
Found a deer picture. Yeah. And now you have a deer picture for free. Kapulot siya ng picture ng deer. Ito kami, ticket office para makapasok. Actually, hindi ko naman alam kung anong makikita dito. Sabi lang ni YouTube. Yan, dito na. 1,200 yen isang adult. Si Sky libre. Pero gulat ako sa presyo, parang 10 SGD din. Ang ganda. Ano kaya yung ginagawa nila dun? Tea ceremony. Is there an arrow there? Sky? Oh, yung mga bahay ng mga Japanese talaga to, no?
Picture muna tayo dito. Oh, I think in here.
Ganda, oh.
So the deer, I think they're looking for a beast. So this deer looking for someone.
Tingin pa tayo doon.
I'm the leader.
Yan. Sundan natin si Sky. Uy, ganda. So nice. Yan. Ang mga gusto ni Angel. Yung mga walang animal. Garden lang. Garden lang. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa nila. Pero... wow, ganda. Wow.
Also Dad, come here. We take picture together.
But who will take picture? I need to take picture of you.
Okay. You try do the pose again.
Huh?
Do the pose again.
Like this?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Correct na?
Yeah.
Ito, wait lang.
The butterfly is so nice.
Cross the bridge.
Careful, careful.
Joking, just joking.
That one was this small frog.
Oh, yeah.
No, but look, no frogs.
Is it? I'm not sure if it's frog or insect. It doesn't look like a frog.
Well, look at this. Let's take picture now. Mama, you do your own pose first.
Don't go sa bridge.
You do your own pose. See?
Who's this guy?
This is a deer and it's here. In a picture in this.
Is this you? Mr. Deer.
No, that looks like the deer, Dad. Dad, that looks like the. Hey, he bounced the camera.
Wow. Bye.
See, Bob, it's like.
It's so cool.
See, Bobby looks like you. I told you this is that
Eh, may ano dun, no?
Dad, I think
Eh,
just.
ano yun?
Dad, I think this is not the deer just done.
Look at that. It's water, you know.
Yeah. Look, we see the water. If you go here, I'll go to understand. Mama, if you still want this like this, be careful, okay? So you should go.
Ito yung Taiji Temple. Ayan sa loob. Yung malaking Buddha. Kaso di kami nakapasok. Kulang yung cash namin. Eh, hindi yung ma-accept ng card. Kulang yung coins. Yung mga deer dito aggressive na. Malaki strip.
Free Japanese dyan.
Ito oh.
Thank you for watching.